Welcome to your active system. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Active Knee System for therapy. Let's get started with setup. First, locate the power cord included with your system. Plug it into the USB-C port on the bottom of the OrthoSource controller. You'll see a red light turn on. This means the system is charging. After about 90 minutes, the red light will turn off, letting you know it's fully charged. Step 1. Prepare the OrthoPods. Open a new package of OrthoPods 5 to 10 minutes before your session so they have time to warm up. Make sure the logoed side is facing down or they won't warm properly. Step 2. Start your therapy. Gently insert the OrthoPods into the ortho docks on your device. You'll feel the magnets pull them into place. Once your therapy session starts, a blue light will appear on the OrthoSource. Each session runs for 2 hours. You're now ready to begin your therapy session. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Active Knee System for therapy. Start by positioning the narrowest part of the device behind your knee. The logo on the outside of the device should be centered at the back of your knee. Check that the OrthoPods on the inside of the device are lined up on either side of your knee joint. Wrap the top and bottom straps across the front of your knee and secure them using the hook and loop closures. Make any final adjustments so the fit feels secure and comfortable. Just be careful not to over-tighten. When your therapy session is complete, the blue light on the controller will flash for about 2 minutes before turning off completely. Gently remove the device from your body. Remove the used OrthoPods from your device. The magnets will release easily. Discard them in the trash after use.